So today is finally the day. Fucking cool. We're going to the movies. Have a look. It's chilly. It's cold outside, you guys. But there's the Avatar. We coming to watch. What's the name of the movie again, babe? Huh? Primate. We're here to watch Primate. The monkey scary movie. This one. Thank you. That taco was good. My mommy.
How you doing? Good. Theater 11, so go right down this way.
Thank you. We were gonna get drinks, but yeah, the line is too long. The movie has already started.
Theater 11.
There go Theater 11. Why are you walking like that? It's so silly. I was thinking, why they have a scary movie coming out in the middle of winter? I think so, yeah. Just different door.
N15, N16.
It just started.
Hey, there it is.
You pay. That was a good movie. That's how good it was. I was invested.
Today's the big day, Squid.
Let's go get my braces removed. So today is finally the day. So right now it's like 8:07. My appointment is at 8:30 and I'm only like, let's say 15-20 minutes away. So hopefully I don't be late. But today's the last day. I'm so excited. Oh my god, my smile has come such a long way, you guys. So here's the little outfit. It's not really an outfit, but I'm wearing sweatpants, you know, this shirt right here, and I gotta warm up my car, and it's like 16 degrees outside. It's super cold. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record the whole process or whatever, but I'm gonna try my best to get a little clip here and there, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final results. Yay!
Correspondence from Honey's office? Yes, and he's
I went to Qdoba, got me some food, and then I'm just coming home to watch a little bit of my show before I head to work. This is my retainers that they gave me. Yeah, they're in there. The retainers are in there. Then this is a form for me to it's like a referral. This is a form referral for me for that gum. My gum, I want to like remove a little bit of my gum, and then they gave me a little goodie bag that have some candy in it and chocolate. I don't even eat candy, so. And this is my retainers option, like if I want to, like, you know, have a payment plan just in case I lose them or I need them replaced or whatever. And my next appointment is on March the 23rd. And then like other little goodies, one thing that they mentioned is to have to buy tablets for me to clean my retainers. Those are cleaning tablet for the retainers, and they have a permanent retainer here. That's what my appointment is for them to remove. And then this is my smile. I'm so happy with it, you guys. It looks so fucking good. Like I'm gonna be smiling all day, every day. Anyway, so the appointment, the referral I have, I called them for to schedule an appointment next week, Wednesday at 2:30. So this is for this teeth, so they could remove a little bit of my gum so it could match perfectly with the other tooth. But overall, looks so fucking good. 10 out of 10. Would definitely recommend if you want to straighten your smile to get braces. I got the DJI Pocket 3. Oh my mommy. This is the screen. And it is super small. Oh my god, I didn't think it was gonna be this small. English. I'm gonna have to watch a video to see how to work it, but this is so fucking cool. Oh, that's so cool, you guys. Okay, now let's look at this. I guess these are like the instructions and stuff. And then I think this might be like charger or whatever. I still have to get the microphone. I haven't gotten that yet. Oh, this is the cord to like attach it with. This is so cute. Oh my god. I can finally go out and record in small places and people won't notice. Okay, and then this one, my hands so damn dry. I think this is the charger. These are the charger. Yeah, that's it.